How to switch account in Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gamers Tech. Today I am going to guide you how to switch account in Blockman Go. Switching account in Blockman Go is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Blockman Go. Launch the game on your mobile device. Go to Profile. Tap on your profile picture or avatar icon, typically located in the bottom left or bottom right corner of the screen. Open Setting. Tap on the setting icon usually represented by a gear. Log out. Look for an option like log out or switch account. This may be under the account or sign up section. Sign in with a different account. After logging out, you will be prompted to sign in again. Choose your desired account method such as Google, Facebook. Log in. Enter the credential for the account you wish to switch to. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can switch account in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.